Hi, Terry. I just wanted to try to answer your question about using the video editor in YuJa. Um, it may be, the issue might be how you're actually accessing your videos in YuJa. If you're looking at them through the Canvas interface, then that would make sense if you're not able to edit them once you've embedded them in a page. But here's one way to do it. If you go to endicott.yuja.com, then log in, and it will actually just use your standard Endicott login, the same one that you would use in Canvas. And I sign in. And what I see is a list of all of the videos that I've uploaded to YuJa. And so you should see the same thing. If you don't, you can go into this folder, excuse me, default collection, might show more. But in any case, in any video, if I mouse over it, you see on the right side here the word edit. So I click edit, and then in a moment you will see all of your editing controls appear. So hopefully that's helpful. I'm going to look for an article specifically about using those editing tools, because to be honest with you, it's not as intuitive as some editing tools. But I think your first question was basically, how do I even get to see the editing tools? So that's how you do it. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.